From the mountains high where the cold winds sing, to the desert sands where the echoes ring, there's a story written in every street, a land united by a shared dream. Four directions, one heartbeat strong, different voices, one endless song, colors blending under one sky, wings of hope that forever fly. This is the city